How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can recover medal.tv clips. So in order to demonstrate this video, I'm going to delete this clip right here. So let's just click on the delete button, and then it will say that it successfully deleted the clips on our library. Now, the question is, there's no recycle bin in order for us to recover our video clips. Well, this is extremely simple to do. Head over to your desktop, and from here, you then want to click on the recycle bin. Just look for the file that you want to recover. Most likely, it's going to be named Medal TV and following with the name of the game that you have recorded. So in my case, it's going to be Valorant. Now you can also see the original location of the file, which is going to be inside Medal TV clips and Valorant or something similar like that. So just click on it, click on the restore item, or you can right click on it and then you can manually restore it by clicking on the show more options and then clicking on restore. And so if we head back over to our Medal TV application, refresh our library, it will then show up right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.